Honda Harley.
And then asking about the selfie stick in my Insta 360 X5. But while he's doing that, let's go take a look around. These have cameras on them too. That's the X4. As you can see, the X5 is gone because it's right here. We're gonna have them help us set up the selfie stick. Having a little problem expanding it. Let's see how good these cameras work. So stay tuned. This stick is too short, or I don't know how to expand it. Because I was pulling on it, I don't know what the deal is. Okay.
It's just hard.
Yeah, that's what it is, huh? I was like, man, this ain't 110 centimeters. Look at this. Ta-da! Everything else pretty self.
Yeah, mine moves a little bit easier just because I've used it, but they stay pretty stiff.
That's good. It didn't look like it fitted.
Yeah, they don't look like they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
right
it.
on.
And then it's
That's
got
how you
like,
expand your selfie stick. It's pretty stiff.
and then on the bottom, it's got the thread on the bottom right there too. So if you get the bracket, if you want to do something to the bike, that's where you can lock it on.
So which part of this am I gonna attach it to?
So that all just depends. You get this clamp right here, so you can attach that to the bike this way.
So
So you got all those.
clamp it on.
Yep.
That's the one.
Yeah, so I mean wherever you want to clamp it to, you know.
Yeah.
But there's other people that get like their own bracket and put like a bolt, like a little metal bracket off like a foot peg or something like that, vice versa, you know.
Okay.
So
Because if I put it behind me, is it still gonna get the front too? That's how does it do that?
you haven't even messed with it? You haven't turned the camera on yet?
No, I haven't even turned it on yet. Yeah. I've been working the last 4 days.
Me too.
I worked till like 100 miles away till 6 in the morning.
These are just other types of brackets and stuff like that, you know.
Yeah.
Different clamps and stuff.
Yeah.
Same thing. These are, you know, you can stick onto your helmet or stick them on like the front windshield of the bike, so you can do it that way if you want it off the front.
All right.
This is just your little tool if you need it, you know, if you wanted to really crank these down, it just kind of gives you some leverage, you know, really
cool.
give it some power, you know. And then, that's the little SD card. I always say to reformat them first, you know, before you download any videos. That's going to just be your charging cable. Make sure I probably never took them out of my box. They're probably like little spacers you could put like in between the thread, you know, it's like a little washer.
Oh, okay. Make it stay tighter.
I'm not sure what it's for. I never use mine. I didn't know bike got those sizes, but so that's like an extra piece for the battery. It gives you a bigger, you can swap it out. See, it gives you, that's to charge it.
Oh,
so
okay.
this one you have to open up to charge it.
Yeah.
So you pull that out and charge it. This one right here, it gives you this little piece so you can just open it right there and charge it. So, but then you have a little piece that's open.
Yeah.
It's probably blocking it from not being as waterproof.
Right,
You know? So,
That's what it is. All right, cool.
anything else?
I think that'll do it. Now you'll be on my YouTube page. All right,
Come and check out
thanks a lot,
Michael
man.
from Cycle Gear. Thank you so much.
No problem.